Hello and welcome to another of Mrs. C's maths lessons. Now, today is going to be a bit different. We're going to do it in 3 separate sections. This first section is going to be the answers for yesterday's work.
No.
So here we are with the answers for yesterday's interpreting pie charts work. So we had a pie chart which showed 90 children's shoe sizes and we had to work out 40%, 10%, 20 and 30%. So easy first really. Size 1 was 10%. 10% of 90 is 1 out of the 10 of 90. So you divide 90 by 10 and you get 9 children. 9 children is 10% of 90. So if you know what 10% of 90 is, you therefore will know what 20% is because it's double it. Okay? So size 4 is 2 times 9 because 9 is 10%, which is 18. And size 3 was 3 times 9 because it was 30%. And 9% is 10%. 9 children with 10%. So therefore, 3 lots of 9 is 27 children. That's 30%, okay? And then size 2 is 4 lots of 9. 4 lots of 10% of 90, which is 4 times 9 is 36. So they're the answers that you should have had. Okay, easy as pie. Get it? Pie. Yeah, and number 2, here we are. So you had your vowels, first 300 in a book. So the pie chart represented 300 vowels, okay? So you were supposed to find out 10% of U and 10% of O. 10% of 300 is a tenth of 300, and that is 10 into 300. 10 into 300 goes 30 times, so therefore U and O were 30 letters each. There were 30 U's and 30 O's in those first 300 vowels of the book. Okay, then we went on to 20% of the first 300. If 10% is 30, 20% is going to be double that, of course. So I and A at 20% were 60. So there were 60 I's and 60 A's. Okay, and then E at 40%, if 20% is 60, 40% is going to be double that again. So 60 add 60 is 120, and that is your answer for 40% of 300 vowels. Hope you did well. So that was the end of the answers for yesterday's lesson. Now go on to part 2 for today's lesson.